Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2009 Mercedes Benz E Class. So from any screen, just click on the Navi, and then we can move across the bottom there. You've got destination, bottom left, so navigate to destination, click the center, address entry, click OK. Knock it down to the bottom menu, pulling the selector towards you, highlight postcode there, click on postcode, and then we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR. It's defaulted to numbers here, 5, 4, and that's it. That's as far as you can go. PR54. We can put the street in here now. So street, I need to go to, it will, once you've put a few letters in, it narrows it down each time. Get the O in, and Chorley Road's right at the top, highlighted. But alternatively, if it was any of those others, you could just turn the rotary selector, take it down, but we want Chorley Road, Chorley Road. Now you've got start there, map, country, town, street or number. If I wanted to take it further, I could put a number in, but I'm okay with that, so we just click start.
Your route is being calculated. Please follow the road.
That's it, that's how you set the sat-nav. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2009 Mercedes Benz E Class. So from any screen, we're on sat-nav at the moment. If we go to telephone, you've got call lists on the right, name, telephone. Call list is greyed out, so there's no phone connected to it at the moment. So you're on name there or telephone. So we'll turn the rotary selector to, we'll get to telephone, and then click it. Then you've got Bluetooth telephones, address book, import contacts. Well, we want Bluetooth telephones. You see there, if you were going to pair a mobile now, you'd click on update, but you can see there my phone. So I just turn the selector to highlight my phone, and then you've got options here which is greyed out. So we knock the selector across towards me, that highlights options. We select options, and the first one is deauthorize, then you've got details, then reception, volume and transmission, but we want deauthorize. Do you want to deauthorize Barry's iPhone 11? Yes. That's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2009 Mercedes Benz E Class. The first thing we do is make sure Bluetooth is on, and then we're watching at the bottom here. Over to the audio system, click telephone. You've got name there. We turn the rotary selector to telephone, click telephone. Then you've got Bluetooth telephones, the top one. Select that by clicking the rotary selector again, and then there's no phones connected to here, so we want update. Click update. That's already highlighted at the top. Searching for a maximum of 15 Bluetooth devices, which is pretty good because some of them only have 5. And it's brought my phone up there underneath update. So we turn the rotary selector, highlight my phone, click on it, and then it's asking me to put a code in. For ease of use, I'll just put 000 in, 4 noughts, and then we turn the rotary selector over to OK and press it, click that you've entered 4 zeros, enter the 4 zeros on your phone, allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow Mercedes Benz Bluetooth connected, and it's showing connected on there. That's how you do it.